Well, hi everybody out there. This is Kim from Element Hair at the Boardwalk, and I have some really great news. I've been thinking, what can I do for our clients? And I came up with an idea that I'm going to have customized hair color formulas available. This will be available. You can go on our website, elementhair.com, go to shop, and there'll be part lines or full color. I'm also going to have a how-to video, how to apply the color. I'm going to do it on my own hair, and I'm going to give you tips along the way. Now, for those of you who are not comfortable coloring your hair, we also have KMS style color. It comes in multiple colors. We have blonde, a few shades of brown, light and dark. And remember, we have lots of products for sale. We have our Element line, we have KMS, Dermalogica, Goldwell, whatever you need.